Hello, Drones in School fans. This is Tad Douse with Drones in School, here today to talk to you about our simulator races. All of our simulator races happen in Velocidrone. So you will get a track that you'll download from us in Velocidrone. Your pilots will fly that track. Your pilots have a Velocidrone tag when they create their account. They'll need to put that tag on their profile in races.dronesinschool.com so that we can match up the Velocidrone account with your pilots and your teams. Now, once you have that all set, you'll be ready to download your track in Velocidrone. So let's talk about how that works. A couple things you want to do. First of all, you want to come into Velocidrone and click on Options, and you want to go to Auto Leaderboard Time Upload. You want that to be yes. It will be defaulted to no. Turn that to yes, so when you run your track, it'll automatically upload your times. It only uploads the fastest time, so you don't need to worry about overwriting any old times. Once you're done with that, we need to go into our track manager.
So in the track manager, you're going to need to search for the tracks that we are going to be using this season. So you're going to go here and click on Download Track. Then you want to search. You don't want to search by the track name though, because we have no control over track names, so anybody can post a track. So you want to make sure you get our tracks. So you're going to search by the author of the track. So you're going to search for Drones in School, all one word, and search for that. What you're going to be looking for is Drones in School Official, okay, which is our author name. So once you find Drones in School Official, you're going to look and find the track you need. Now there'll be multiple tracks on here. So we'll have last year's October, November, December, January track, our spring bonus tracks. You can use any of these to practice, but for our October race this year, we're using the 2025 October Sim. So you're going to click the download button. Once you've downloaded that, now it's available for you to use. So you're going to go back here to the main menu and back again.
And then we go into our Nemesis mode.
Okay, in Nemesis mode, we're first going to pick our drone, our aircraft we're going to be flying with. For the simulator races, you can use the Tiny Hawk drone or the Tiny Hawk 2. It's your choice on which one you want to fly with. If you don't see those here in your garage, you can click on Add Quad, and those are in the micro quads, and they are over here. We've got the Tiny Hawk and the Tiny Hawk 2. So once those are there, you can pick the one you want to fly with and hit continue to move on.
And then I'm going to find my track. Now I'll see all the tracks that are out there. I just want to find the Drones in School track, so I can just search for Drones in School, and the one I downloaded will show up. One other thing you want to do on your game settings is set that to auto arming. If you don't, you'll just have to manually arm your quad with your radio, but it's a little easier to probably just auto arm. Go ahead and hit fly. Once you're ready to fly, you'll hit start. And 3, 2, 1, go. There goes the other drone, and you'll take off and fly the track. Once you finish the track, it'll upload and you'll be good to go. You can fly the track as many times as you want. You have the entire month or the entire time frame on the website for this particular race to post your best time. At midnight on the last date or the time that's listed on the website, we'll pull that leaderboard and you'll know where you are in the standings. If you want to see the standings, you can click on the track leaderboard, and anybody who's posted a time, this is the track author. All the others will show up here. Now keep in mind, anybody can download this track. So some people you see here may not be Drones in School pilots, but you'll only be competing against the Drones in School pilots that are listed in races. Hope that helps. Good luck to all our pilots. Have a great season.